Well, hi, this is Rich, WB5YBZ. I just want to show you how I got my antenna up over the tree. Now, before I used to use I guess you might say a bean flip, and I wasn't really accurate. So what I thought I'd try is find a cheap bow and arrow. And so I did. I found this little cheap bow and arrow here. And what I did is I got this try not to get a reflection over here. Got this 14-pound test just fishing line. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's fishing line. And what I did is I took the arrow about, I guess you can see right in here. I taped just regular like packing, that you tape boxes with. I made several rounds around the arrow. Put the tape around it and sealed it real good, because I figured if it's just straight, it might just pull out anyway. And it didn't pull out, I cut it off, but it worked great. Once it was over the tree, then I got some of this, what they call nylon tar string. And what I do is after I cut it, I just take a match and then heat it up. I keep it from unraveling and stuff. But you get these spools at Walmart or whatever, but it's a nylon string that has a little tar on it. So what I did is I tied it to the 14-pound test line, and then I pulled it over the tree. The tree was like a pulley, so to speak, as I was pulling it back over. And then I had my insulator up there as well. So I tied my tar string to the insulator, and then I proceeded to pull it on back up to the top of the tree. So let's go outside and look at what it looks like. All right, I'm up in the, I guess you might say, getting ready to shoot or launch the arrow. You have to watch it really quick, but I have my bow. I'm going to shoot it up, and you'll see the test line or the fishing line go over. There it goes. Whoa, you don't even see the arrow. But that's how I got it over the tree, and it worked really, really good. Okay, I got some of this tar string, and what I'm doing is I took the fishing line that had the arrow on, and I tied it to the fishing line, and now I'm bringing it up, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's way up high, one of the highest part of the tree. Now I'm bringing that up for the end of the full wave loop. Well, this is a little leaning right up here in this birdhouse as I have my ballon. And from that, I'm going to go out. I'm going to go over here, and part of the antenna is hitting the tree here. But you can see it goes to that birdhouse, and then it comes up and over the house. Let me walk a little bit. I have a little insulator up with that birdhouse if you want me to zoom in on it. Can you see that insulator? All right. Now when I pull the tar string up, let's see if I can follow this antenna. It goes up to the top of the tree where the arrow went over it. Well, mostly over it anyway. I don't know if you can see anything. I'm wiggling too much. I need a tripod. But it's up there. Now let me take you for the other area. I have a very small backyard. It's probably one of the highest antennas that I've had as far as the tree goes. And that shooting that arrow, these poles are 24 feet high, and my coax goes into the pole here and goes up the pole to the ballon up there. Now I'm not sure. I'm going to lean against the fence. I pulled it up I don't know if you can see where the one is or not. But anyway, it's pretty well up the top of the tree. And it's pretty high. I would say it's probably 45 or 50 feet high. Not sure. I could be all wet. I know the house is 25. And that looks like at least another 15 feet higher. I don't know. I need a light on this thing, I think. But I'm not sure. Yeah, there you go. You can see it. I tied it here. And of course the string, the tar string, the nylon string with tar, goes up and around the tree all the way up to the tip top over this tree, and it's pulled the insulator up to the tip top of that thing. So let me look over here. I just can't see it. Okay, well, anyway, we're back in the shack, and the antenna's picking up a lot of signals, especially on 17. I love 17. And it just seems like it's good. The total length of the antenna is about 273 feet. It's three-sided in each side, and each angle is different lengths and different angles. All in all, it's a great antenna. I'm glad I got it up. Again, the arrow, the only negative thing about the arrow was I was trying to do it when it was real windy one day. Finished it up today, got it a little bit higher, but I think you'll see, you saw how I sort of shot it up there. A lot of fun, and now I can't wait to start in there and rag chewing. 73s, thanks a lot for watching.